This is an automated message from the LS Correctional Institution's Inspectoral Repair Committee. We've recently conducted an inspection on your facility. You've received
Grading. Red.
If you received a grade lower than blue, please contact the committee head at extension
72985.
within 2 weeks of receiving this message.
Talk to entry team. Entry team, suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in.
Copy. Coming to you.
On my 6.
Sir, right behind you.
Civilian is down but breathing. Notify EMTs.
Talk to entry team. Copy. EMTs and
Hands up
trailers
now.
are standing
Drop
by.
your-
Move in and clear it.
Yeah, copy
Hands up
that.
now. Drop your knees.
On the
Move
move.
in and clear it.
Drop your weapon now. Hands up. Do it now.
Don't point that. There's nothing
Down
on
and put
me.
your hands up.
On my 6.
Copy. Coming to
Restrain
you.
targets.
Contact is in custody.
Talk reporting.
Suspect is bleeding out.
Roger that.
Needs
Trailers
medical aid.
incoming. Talk to
Suspect is
High
bleeding out.
Copy.
Needs
EMTs
medical
and
aid.
trailers are standing. Talk to element. Copy. Clean house and we'll take them out.
On me.
Sir, right behind you.
Let's move.
Yeah, copy that.
Moving and clear.
Roger that. On the move.
Provide support on me.
Drop it now.
Drop that weapon and get your hands up! Down now.
Now. Get down. I want to see hands.
Fall in.
Police, hands
Got
up.
point.
Hands up. Drop your knees. Get on the ground now.
It's the police.
I don't want to get
hands
shot,
up now.
okay?
Relax.
Get your hands off me.
Civilians standing by for trailers.
This is talk. Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Falling behind me.
Okay, I'm on your 6.
Put your hands up.
No, get away from me.
Move to my front.
Copy. We're moving out now. Hands up!
My hands are up.
Civilian is down but breathing. Notify EMTs.
Talk to entry team. Roger that. Medical assistance is standing by.
Hands up. Above your head.
Restrain targets.
Done. Zipped up and ready to go.
Are those
It's nothing
handcuffs?
personal, man.
Talk to entry
Moving
team.
clear.
Roger that.
All right.
Trailers
Roger that.
incoming. Proceed with caution.
Hands up.
Unlock it.
Toolkit here. Alright, sir. It's unlocked.
Open the door. Clear it.
Moving up.
Stay on me.
Copy that. Falling in.
Hands up!
Provide cover.
Affirmative.
Try the lock.
Affirmative. Door is unlocked.
Open the door. Clear it.
Copy that.
I'm going!
Hey, there's people over here. Help us.
Suspect is breathing but unconscious.
Talk to Element. Roger that. Medical assistance is
Down
standing
on
by.
our
Hands
knees.
are up.
Relax.
Are those handcuffs? Please, over here.
Civilians
help.
standing by for trailers.
Help us,
On my
please.
sick.
Put your hands
Great
up.
work,
that.
entry team.
Falling in.
Keep it up.
Get down and put your hands up!
Calm down.
Why are you arresting me?
Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac.
Talk to entry team. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Blow the lock and clear it.
Alright, copy that.
Going!
On me.